Hello everyone and welcome to today's video on eating with diabetes, do's and don'ts. Diabetes is a chronic condition that affects millions of people worldwide, and proper nutrition plays a critical role in managing it. In this video, we'll be discussing the do's and don'ts of eating with diabetes, and how you can create a healthy meal plan to effectively manage your diabetes and reduce your risk for long-term health complications. So, let's start by discussing the do's of eating with diabetes. One of the most important things to keep in mind is to eat regularly. Skipping meals can cause blood sugar levels to fluctuate, so it's important to eat regularly. Another important thing to keep in mind is to include a variety of foods in your diet. Try to include a variety of foods from all food groups, including whole grains, fruits and vegetables, lean protein, and healthy fats. Portion control is also critical. Use measuring cups and a food scale to ensure you are eating appropriate portion sizes. Fiber is also an important nutrient to include in your diet. Foods high in fiber can help you feel full, regulate blood sugar levels, and reduce the risk of heart disease. Some examples of high fiber foods include whole grains, fruits and vegetables, legumes, and nuts and seeds. Now, let's move on to the don'ts of eating with diabetes. One of the most important things to avoid is added sugars. Foods high in added sugars can cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels, so it's important to limit your intake. Another thing to avoid is unhealthy fats, such as trans fats and saturated fats. Instead, opt for healthy fats, such as olive oil, avocado, and nuts and seeds. Processed foods are also something to avoid. Processed foods are often high in sodium, added sugars, and unhealthy fats, and they can contribute to weight gain and other health problems. Finally, it's important to be mindful of your alcohol consumption. Alcohol can affect blood sugar levels and interact with medications for diabetes, so it should be consumed in moderation. If you choose to drink alcohol, it's best to do so with a meal and opt for lower-carb alcoholic beverages, such as wine or light beer. Now that we've discussed the do's and don'ts of eating with diabetes, let's talk about creating a healthy meal plan. Creating a balanced meal plan is essential for managing diabetes. It's important to work with a healthcare provider and a registered dietitian to determine your individual needs and create a meal plan that works for you. Here are some tips to help you get started. Plan ahead, make a grocery list and plan your meals for the week. This can help you stay on track and avoid last-minute, unhealthy choices. Keep track of what you eat. Keeping a food diary can help you track your food intake and identify areas where you may need to make changes. To give you a better idea of what a healthy meal plan for diabetes might look like, I'll walk you through a typical day's worth of meals. Breakfast. For breakfast, you can have a serving of whole grain cereal with almond milk and fresh berries, scrambled eggs with a whole grain English muffin and avocado, or a smoothie made with almond milk, frozen berries, and spinach. Snack. For a morning snack, you can have a serving of raw vegetables with hummus, a hard-boiled egg, or a piece of fresh fruit. Lunch. For lunch, you can have a salad with mixed greens, grilled chicken, and a variety of veggies, a turkey and cheese sandwich on whole grain bread, or a quinoa and black bean bowl. Snack. For an afternoon snack, you can have a serving of Greek yogurt, a handful of nuts, or a piece of fruit. Dinner. For dinner, you can have grilled salmon with roasted vegetables, chicken stir-fry with brown rice and veggies, or a vegetable and bean chili. While it's important to plan ahead and prepare meals at home, there will be times when you need to dine out. Here are some tips for making healthy food choices when eating out. Choose restaurants that offer healthy options. Look for restaurants that offer a variety of fresh, whole foods. Look for menu options that are grilled, baked, or steamed. These preparation methods tend to be healthier than fried options. Ask for dressings and sauces on the side. This allows you to control the amount of added sugars and unhealthy fats in your meal. When ordering, look for options that are high in fiber and protein and low in unhealthy fats and added sugars. Here are some examples of healthy options. A grilled chicken salad with mixed greens, veggies, and a vinaigrette dressing. grilled fish with steamed vegetables and brown rice. A veggie and bean chili with a side salad. In conclusion, eating with diabetes requires careful planning and mindful choices. By following the do's and don'ts of eating with diabetes, creating a balanced meal plan, and making healthy food choices when dining out, you can effectively manage your diabetes and reduce your risk for long-term health complications. If you're living with diabetes, I encourage you to work with your healthcare provider and a registered dietitian to create a meal plan that works for you and meets your individual needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, take care and eat well.